Hello, Week to Warrior. Devin here. And in the world of macronutrient manipulation, there's a really useful tool called protein fasting. So protein fasting is where we give ourselves a little bit of a metabolic reset by avoiding protein for about 24 hours. So eat a bunch of rice, fruit, tons of stuff that doesn't have protein in it. And what this does is it kind of forces your body to go into the cells and actually break down stored proteins in the lysosomes of the cell, which clears out your cells of a bunch of gunk that's really not doing them any benefit and helps your body actually use that material for some benefit. So now that your body's clearing out your lysosomes, you have a lot more energy. Like after a protein fast, continue eating as normal, you have a lot more energy, you'll feel a lot clearer headed, probably have less bloating and inflammation, better digestion, and it's just due to a little metabolic reset. Similar to normal fasting, but normal fasting, you don't consume any food, so you do have a little bit of a metabolic decrease from that, or you can. Different metabolic effects for different people at different stages in life and different processes going on in their body, different needs. But a protein fast is very, very useful, and I recommend y'all try it. Do it about once a week, once every 2 weeks. Done. Subscribe for more.